I'm going to quickly go through how to change this with a new HaLow antenna. A couple of weeks ago, mine had broken off, but I had enough of the thread to get by. I'm having a few HaLow signal issues, and I want to replace it just to make sure that this is not one of the problems. This is the kit that was provided with the new cable, antenna, base piece. We'll replace this now. The threaded part that broke was here, and it was stuck up inside there. Alright, so with the battery out, I've got a T10 50mm to take these parts out. So this is the cable that's going to have to attach inside of here and come up through here, so I'm going to have to take this top piece off. Using Allen key number 3. This is taking too long. T25 should do it. That's it. CRV6. If you look down in here, there's the HaLow antenna, and I just need to feed it through. Piece here. Once the screws are out, you can disconnect it like that, and then I can feed it through. Right. Instead of a knife, definitely use snips. Remove that zip tie. Small Phillips head screw.